Hello YouTube, we're doing a quick unboxing of the MSI Gaming X 3060 Ti. Just got it from Best Buy, so I'm going to go ahead and just open it up here and let's see kind of what's inside. Alright, open it up here. Getting rid of the wrapping. Alright, there it is. It's coming off. Kind of just throw it off to the side here. And let's see if we can open it up. Alright. And let's see what we have inside here. Kind of just throw it out back there. And looks like MSI put a really nice pamphlet here that weighs a ton. What is in there? Whole bunch of manuals, a quick user guide, how to upgrade your PC with new graphics, some type of platinum card. Okay, get that out of the way. And there is the card itself. Okay. See if we can take it out of its wrapping. And there it is. So this is the MSI Gaming X 3060 Ti. And yeah, it looks really nice here. I don't know what to say. Yeah, this looks better than what I thought it would be like. Yeah, I don't like that red cable, or that red connector there, but that's okay. Oh, that looks nice. Alright, if you guys liked the video, please like. If you guys really liked the video, please subscribe. And hopefully you guys have a wonderful day and stay safe out there. Alright, see you.